Okay guys, let me show you how to create a viral talking avatar like AI Guy. This channel has skyrocketed from 0 to 120,000 subscribers in less than 1 year. I know you are familiar with this channel, which is why you clicked on this video. When I first saw this avatar, I thought it was created using a paid tool, but after doing some research, I found out that it's free. So today, I will help you create your own realistic talking avatar using AI without spending a single dollar. So, without wasting any more time, let's dive in. Open your browser and search for Leonardo AI. Open the first website. Click on Get Started and continue with Google. Let's be transparent. A free Leonardo account will be sufficient for this. Click on Image Generation and choose this preset named Leonardo Phoenix. After that, select the aspect ratio as 16:9. Then paste this prompt here and hit Generate. The prompt is in the description. I suggest you generate multiple times for better options. Your avatar images are generated. If you don't like the result, come to the preset section again and choose the Cinematic Kino option from here. After that, click on the Generate button again. At this time, you will get some realistic avatars. But wait, they are not similar to AI Guy. Let's create a similar avatar. Go to YouTube, open any video on his channel, and take a screenshot like this. Come back to Leonardo and turn on this legacy mode from the top right corner. After that, come to the Image Guidance tab. Upload that screenshot here. Keep strength to around 80. Then type here, make a portrait image like this guy. Click on Generate and come back to the Generation History tab. As you can see, these avatars are similar to AI Guy. Download any image that you like the most. Now we need to upscale this image. For this, open a new tab and search here for CapCut.com. Open the first website. Create an account using your Google account and you will be on this page. From the left panel, click on Magic Tools. Then choose this Image Upscale and upload your avatar here. Choose this 4K option and hit the Upscale button. In a few seconds, it will be done. Great job, CapCut. Click on the download icon to download. Open a new tab and search for Vidnaz. Open the first website. Click on Create Free Video Now. Simply click on Continue with Google and you will be on this page. From here, click on Create Video and choose the Start a Blank option. Click on Avatar from the upper menu, and here you will find a vast number of realistic avatars. Click on Upload Photo to upload your own avatar here. Give it a name and select the gender of your avatar. Click on the Next button and you will be on this editor page. Here you will find a vast number of voices. You can also use 11 Labs voices from here, but I already have a previously generated voiceover, and I will use that. Click on Upload Voice and upload your voiceover. When it is uploaded, click on the Generate button from the top right corner. The process has started and it will take a while. So wait, okay, now it is done. Click on the Download button to download it. Because we are using the free version, our video can only be downloaded in 720p. But it's okay, we can upscale it. Come back to CapCut and click on this Video Upscale option. Upload your video here and click on the Upscale button. After a few seconds, it will be done, and you can simply download it from here. Now let me show you the result. Hello guys, in this video, we'll show you how to create talking avatar like AI Guy. So without wasting your time, let's dive in. Now let's talk about this small watermark. Since you all are content creators and know well how to remove a watermark from a video, let me still show you an easy way to remove the watermark. Open CapCut and start a new project. Click on the Import button and import the upscaled image and video of your avatar. Drag them to the timeline. Place the image layer above the video layer. Adjust the timeline length accordingly. Select the image in the timeline and go to the mask options. Choose this rectangle mask from here. Adjust its size like this and place it on the watermark. You can see that we have successfully removed the watermark without compromising the video quality or introducing any blurring. Hello guys, in this video, we'll show you how to create talking avatar like AI Guy. So without wasting your time, let's dive in. Now your video is ready, just export it. Alright guys, let me finish this video now. Before I go, I would love to hear about your experience with creating avatar videos using Vidnaz. Share your thoughts and results in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching. If you need to watch the full tutorial of Vidnaz AI, just check out this video and trust me, it will help you a lot. See you there.